From Lafitte to New Orleans means more locks and bridges, and then the Mississippi River one more time. Ocean-going vessels, choppy waves, and one more 12-foot barge wave drenches our deck, but nothing can dampen our spirits when the Jackson Square steps come into view. Our journey ends today, Thursday, June 20th, 1996, as the Spirit touches the wooden steps at New Orleans. A local television crew records our actual docking. A street musician plays Old Man River on a saxophone for us. Our journey of more than 1,000 miles is over. But like the ever-present current of the Mississippi River, the spirit of the people we met along the way will always be with us.
Well, after 13 days maneuvering down the Mississippi River, 4 Michigan men arrived here in New Orleans this morning. The 4 decided to make the trip purely for adventure. They set out from Clark Lake, Michigan on June the 7th and arrived this morning here in New Orleans. As part of the arrival ceremonies, the rafters poured water from Clark Lake into the Mississippi. And they return home. When they do, they'll have a bottle of the Mississippi River water to dump into Clark Lake. Should be a law against it.